Today, we'll be talking about companies which have excelled in green manufacturing and have been identified for awards after a rigorous process. Because that is what manufacturing is all about, detailing to the last nuts and bolts so that companies show up their commitment towards business sustainability and eco-friendliness. Today, we will identify them and recognize their excellence, which makes India's manufacturing sector proud.
It is crystal clear that the companies who are taking awards today are one among the most forward-looking organizations in our country.
The next winner of our silver medal is another unit near the boundaries of Chennai with a strong commitment to sustainability and quenching our thirst with excellent beverages. The silver medal goes to the Neman unit of Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages Private Limited. And the grand winner is a 2-decade-old company that makes beverages that India wants. A company that embodies stewardship that strives to leave things better than it first inherited. A top-draw FMCG company that stands on the podium because of the ecosystem that supports it. They maintain one of the most sophisticated infrastructures for effluent treatment, plastic waste management, and one of the best environmental management systems. The IGMC award winner of the India Green Manufacturing Challenge 2019-2020 edition is Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages Private Limited, Bidadi plant.
Namaste. Thank you, distinguished jury, fellow manufacturers, and honored guests. It is so exciting and satisfying to be recognized for such a prestigious gold award. It feels great knowing that our work and dedication to manufacturing excellence is being recognized continuously. We have always given ourselves incredibly tough targets, often a little tougher than regulation requirements and norms, in order to continue a focus on building a culture of safety, on appropriate resource allocation, and asset utilization. My deepest congratulations to the entire team at the Bidadi factory, which is in our own backyard. I can tell you honestly, they're so excited, humbled, and energized by your recognition. Thank you so much. I will share, we're continuing our commitment to invest in India and invest for growth. Even in our own Bidadi factory, just 3 weeks ago, we are installing a new manufacturing line to manufacture a range of juices in Tetra Pak, and we're so honored to have our Honorable Minister of Large and Medium Industry of Karnataka come and inaugurate it with us. Thank you so much as we continue to try to exceed your expectations.